Hello students, in today's session we are going to solve some problems of exercise 1.1 rational numbers class 8th. So let us solve. So question number 6 of exercise 1.1. So here it is problem of exercise 1.1. Okay, so sixth question says multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So what we have to find it out here, reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is what? The number which multiplied with the minus 7 upon 16 and product is 1. So that number is 16 upon minus 7, or as minus sign we have to place in the numerator position, so it will become minus 16 upon 7. So here reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is minus 16 upon 7. So what we have to find? 6 upon 13 multiplied by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So put the value 6 upon 13 multiply reciprocal of this number is minus 16 upon 7, and we multiply these numerators and denominators, then we get 16 6 are minus 96 and 13 7s are 91. So here we can say there is product of the number 6 upon 13 and reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is minus 96 upon 91. Let's take another question. 8. Is 8 upon 9 multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8? Why or why not? So we have to check 8 by 9 is multiplicative inverse of this number or not. So for this, first of all, we know that the multiplicative inverse of any number is a into 1 upon a becomes 1. This 1 is multiplicative identity and 1 upon a is the multiplicative inverse of a, or we can say 1 a is the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon a. That means both a and 1 upon a are the multiplicative inverse of one another. So what we have to check? 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. So what we have to write here? 8 by 9 and minus 1 by 8. If we multiply these two numbers, then we get the product is 1. Then only we can say that 8 by 9 is multiplicative inverse. So let's check it out. 8 by 9 multiply by minus 1 by 8. Now here 1 by 8, this is the mixed fraction, so this should be converted into the fraction as 8 multiply 1 is 8. This plus 1, 8 plus 1 9, so we write 8 by 9 into minus 9 by 8. Now as we multiply here, so in this way this 8 divides 8 and this 9 divides 9 one time, so here we get 8 upon 9 into minus 9 upon 8 is minus 1. Now are we getting that product of these two numbers is 1? Correct. We are getting minus 1, not plus 1 or positive 1, as we are getting this one, and we know that these two are only the multiplicative inverse of one another when we get the product is 1. So here we are getting the product is minus 1, so we can say that 8 by 9 is not a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. Now next, question number 10. We have to write answers for the given. So first is asking the rational number that does not have any reciprocal. Any rational number is there that does not have a reciprocal? Correct. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal is 0. Why? because this 0 we can write it as 0 upon 1, as in the form of P upon Q we have to write 0 upon 1. Meaning of 0 upon 1 is 0. Now when we find the reciprocal of this 0 upon 1, which is 1 upon 0, and we know that 1 upon 0 is not defined, so we say that 0 does not have any reciprocal. Got it? Second, asking the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. The rational number which is equal to its reciprocal, that number we have to write. So third also we have to given that what we have to write, the rational number that is equal to its negative. So for all these three, as we have given the answer for first problem, first sentence, now answer for the third sentence, that rational number that is equal to its negative is 0, as if we write negative of 0 is minus 0, that is also equal to 0. So negative of number 0 is also 0. So this rational number, that means we can say 0 upon 1 number is equal to its negative. So that number is 0, which is equal to its negative. Now answer for the second. The second statement is the rational number we have to write that are equal to their reciprocals. So for answer of this, we know that the rational number that are equal to their reciprocals are 1 and minus 1, because 1 is equal to 1 by 1. So 1 by 1, that is also equal to 1. So 1 is the answer for this, and again minus 1 also there. If we find the reciprocal of minus 1, we write minus 1 upon 1, again it is minus 1. So here this minus 1 is the reciprocal of itself. Similarly, this positive 1 is also the reciprocal of itself. So we can say the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals are 1 and minus 1. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal is 0, and the rational number that is equal to its negative is 0.